Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, we've got another knife dropping today. So if you guys missed out on the pre-order for this guy, this is the EMPEDC Nymble W. If you guys missed out on the pre-order, there's a drop today. 10 a.m. Pacific or 1 p.m. Eastern, the Nymble W will go on sale. I'll leave you a link down in the description in case you're interested. But we're going to take a look at the Nymble W today. I tell you what, guys, this is a really, really well-built knife. Now, I haven't really had many of the Nymbles in here, so I was really, really interested in getting an opportunity to check this one out. One, because, well, they're really popular. Everybody's digging them. And it's another OEM project from QSP. And I tell you what, QSP just keeps knocking these OEMs out of the park. And so, I kind of wanted to see this. So, as you can see there, you've got that really, really nice frag pattern. A lot of people are digging that. And you know what? It's not bad. It gives you a pretty decent grip. Absolutely. Do have a lanyard holder there. Now, full titanium. As you can see, back spacer, pocket clip. Now, I was a little concerned about the pocket clip. Dude, not even. This is so smooth in and out of pocket. Yeah, and even that frag pattern underneath it, it doesn't cause an issue. As you can see there, it kind of lands on one of the high points of the frag. Yeah, no issue. Super smooth in and out of pocket. No issues whatsoever. Obviously, you're looking at a frame lock knife. Nice relief, nice cutout there. And everything's done pretty darn well on that. Now, with all this milling and everything going on, it could leave an opportunity for an edge. Yeah, no, not even. That was kind of what really impressed me, is all that milling and every edge is nice, smooth. And I mean, you can kind of see it, how nice and smooth out everything is. I was impressed. Really, really impressed. QSP did a fantastic job on these. So, what do you got there? Well, like I said, full titanium. Now you've got the W, or Wharncliffe, and you've got a modified Wharncliffe blade. Now, you guys know, all honesty, these more futuristic angular blades aren't really my thing. It's okay. It's okay. I know a lot of people like them, but it doesn't even go with that. It goes with the knife being as well made as it is. Yeah. Deployment options, you can regular flip it, you can front flip it, you can middle finger flip it, you can thumb flip it. I mean, this thing has got deployment options out the wazoo, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, it's a fidget. It's a fidgety knife in the action. Oh my goodness. It's a dropper. M390 blade there. Really, really good looking. Now, I do have to say, this does come from Lefty via EMP EDC. EMP sent it out, and Lefty's kind of running the pass around. So thanks a lot to both of them for the opportunity to check this one out. You do have a nice forward finger choil, so you can get a really nice forward grip on it. Got a lot of really well done jimping up there. So in any grip, that jimping, it helps you out. So, dang, that thing is comfortable. Anyway, okay. They're trying to get me to like all these futuristic blades. I'm refusing. No. All right. Let's get a couple of, we'll look at some specs, but we'll just get a couple of comparisons out there. So the PM2's got it by a little bit, not as much as I thought it would. Honestly, maybe a quarter-ish inch on the handle, and yeah, pushing a half-inch on the blade. So, okay. That Wharncliffe really kind of stretches out there, gives you a decent amount of cutting edge. Line this up, so it is a little bit bigger than the Bug Out. Yep. So what are you looking at overall? So let's see here. Let's back it up to our line. Just makes it easier for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm getting just over 7.5. I'm getting about a 4.5-inch handle, and then roughly a 3-inch blade, 3 1/4. So it could be, 7 3/4. And then your cutting edge is going to be right about 2 3/4. What do they say officially? So 3.3, okay, for the blade. I'm kind of looking at, does it give an overall 7.65? So yeah, it is a little over 7.5. So I'm not blind. I was seeing what I was seeing. Grip length. Grip length, you're looking at point to point. You're really only looking at about a 3-inch grip length, natural grip, but choked up, which is actually a very comfortable grip. My finger's not spread too far apart up there. Plenty of room. Plenty of room in that forward grip. Now, if you got bigger hands, you're probably going to have to use that forward grip, because this, if your hand, back there, not so much. But that forward grip, yeah, it affords plenty of room. So, larger handed folks, let's get a weight on it. I'm getting 4.2. 4.2 ounces. They say 4.4. So it's right in there. Obviously a little bit more than the ounce per inch, but God, this thing carries nice. It really does. It's a very, very well done knife by QSP. So, oh, look, we gotta look at the carry. That's right. Let's look at how it carries. Like I said, it is pretty darn smooth in and out of pocket. Now, at that angle, you're going to have a little bit sticking out of your pocket. Not too much, but a little bit. Your clip is a little wider, so that will leave a little bit bigger profile out of the pocket, but we'll get out of there. But nothing too major. The overall, again, QSP did a fantastic job with this knife. The construction is really, really well done. The action is fantastic. The detent, it's good. Maybe, I don't know. I was going to say maybe a little bit on the light side, but I don't know. Lefty might have something to say about that, but Lefty always has something to say about that. But it is a little bit light on this flip. I mean, a good flip and it comes out. Yeah, on the lighter side, but it's not bad. That was me. That wasn't the knife. But overall, yeah, very, very well done. Now, like I said, there is a drop today. Now, guys, this is not an inexpensive knife. Looks like on the site they're going to be selling for about $325, and it looks like that's going to be the price no matter what the finish, and there are several different options. I really like the satin and bronze, but there's blue clip. You'd really have to go check out the site to see all the different versions, because I cannot explain them well enough. You'd have to go look at them, but I'm really digging that kind of bronze look. Black washed in bronze. Yeah, that looks good. That looks really good. But like I said, guys, these guys drop today. If you've been holding out, if you've been waiting, saving your pennies, today's your day, guys. 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern, the Nymble W drops. So, really appreciate you guys. And I got lucky. I got lucky to have this one. I've been getting lucky to having these knives about the time they drop. So, very cool. Thank you, Lefty. Thank you, EMPEDC. Greatly, greatly appreciate the opportunity to check out the Nymble W. Guys, thank you so very much for checking it out with me today. Remember, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.